Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off party invites in T3 Arena. If you want to focus on solo gameplay without constant interruptions, blocking party invites help you play uninterrupted while practicing or enjoying matches solo. So first of all, launch Open the T3 Arena app on your device and log into your account if you aren't already. From the home page, tap on the menu button at the top right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Options. Under Options, select Account from the bottom menu. Now click on Privacy Settings and under Privacy Settings, tap on Off right next to Accept Party Invite. Once you make sure you select Off, you will then stop receiving unwanted party invitations while playing. So that's how you easily disable party invites in T3 Arena. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.